Did you know that your pet's digestive system could be hiding a very serious issue that often goes unnoticed and could lead to some serious health issues? Your pet may actually have leaky gut. If that sounds scary and you want to know more, watch this video. I'll leave some tips that you can apply in the end. Hello everyone, and welcome to Zoomies. Today we're going to be discussing a topic that's becoming more common in veterinary medicine, and it's leaky gut in pets. This condition can lead to a whole host of other issues ranging from skin problems, allergies, muscle loss, and even food sensitivities. So to better understand this condition, let's break down what leaky gut exactly is, how it occurs, and if it affects your pet. But most importantly, what can you do to help? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is leaky gut? Leaky gut, or medically known as increased intestinal permeability, occurs when the lining of your pet's gastrointestinal tract is compromised and altered. Normally the gut will act as a barrier, allowing nutrients to pass through into the bloodstream and be absorbed, while keeping harmful substances like toxins and bacteria out. But with leaky gut, the gut lining becomes, as the name implies, leaky, allowing harmful particles to pass into the bloodstream and trigger a wide range of problems, such as inflammation, organ damage, or even certain immune system reactions. Think of the gut as a brick wall. When it's damaged, cracks form, allowing bad stuff to slip through. Your pet's immune system starts fighting these bad stuff, causing widespread inflammation and irritation. So what exactly causes this condition? There are several factors that can cause or even contribute to leaky gut in pets. The first, and arguably the most important factor, is poor or low quality diets. A diet lacking in essential nutrients, or that is full of allergens, can be one of the main culprits in this condition. The second major factor is stress. Pets are often more sensitive to stress than what we actually realize. Changes in their environment, such as rehoming, separation anxiety, or even long-term illness, can actually impact the gut's health. Certain medications that are used long-term, such as antibiotics, cortisone, or even non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, can also predispose your pet. These medications can disrupt the balance of good and bad bacteria in the gut, which can lead to dysfunctioning and trigger inflammation. Basically, all these factors ultimately lead to what's called gut dysbiosis. This is an imbalance of the gut microbiome. It's the good versus the bad bacteria in your pet's digestive system, where the bad bacteria take over, or the good bacteria are just insufficient and die off. Now, how do you know if your pet actually has leaky gut or is at risk of developing leaky gut? Symptoms can vary greatly, and a lot of the scientific information is actually on human subjects, but we can extrapolate some data and apply them to animals, and here are some of the most common signs that you need to look out for. Chronic diarrhea or even constipation. If your pet has frequent digestive issues like diarrhea or constipation, this could be a sign that their gut lining is compromised. Second are skin issues, likely one of the most common complaints that veterinarians see day to day. Leaky gut often manifests as a skin problem, and if your dog or cat has itchy, inflamed, and flaky skin, or they're just experiencing frequent ear infections, it might be linked to gut health. But remember, there can be other issues such as environmental allergies that can contribute to this. Thirdly, food sensitivities. A leaky gut can cause your pet to develop sensitivities to food that they once tolerated. If your pet suddenly can't eat certain foods without reactions like vomiting or itchy skin, leaky gut could actually be the reason for this. But for those that are thinking, gluten intolerances has very little scientific evidence in dogs and cats. I'm not saying it's impossible, but I have seen some clients kind of overplay gluten as a role in their pet's diet. Another main factor is actually behavioral changes or energy levels. You might note behavioral shifts like lethargy, irritability, or even anxiety. This is because the gut and the brain are actually connected through what's called the gut-brain axis, meaning poor gut health can influence mood and behavior. Now, let's get into the good stuff. What can you do if your pet has leaky gut? Obviously, I think the first step in treating leaky gut is improving your pet's diet. Consider switching to a higher quality, minimally processed food that is also rich in nutrients and free from common allergens like corn and rice and even chicken in some pets. You might also look into adding novel protein sources like venison and the egg protein. Going grain-free is a good option, or even cooking fresh food. But always consult your veterinarian or veterinary nutritionist before making these changes or moving away from a balanced, high-quality kibble diet. Probiotics and prebiotics. Adding probiotics to your pet's diet can help restore a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which in turn can support the actual gut lining. This is especially important when you're using antibiotics. Prebiotics, which is essentially food for the probiotics, is equally as important. Together, they can actually help restore the gut health and promote good gut bacteria. Did you know that an estimated 70% of your pet's immunity lies within the gastrointestinal tract? I know, crazy. Digestive enzymes. Supplementing with digestive enzymes can support your pet's digestion and prevent undigested food particles from irritating the gut. But I would play it safe with these supplements, as too many of these enzymes could actually be hazardous to your pet. And now, omega-3 fatty acid supplementation. This is a natural anti-inflammatory and can help to reduce gut inflammation. You can combine this with other supplements like L-glutamine, which is also known to aid in repairing the gut lining. Now a more complicated point: stress management. Helping your pet manage stress is crucial. Whether it's ensuring that they have a stable living environment, giving them plenty of exercise and stimulation, or using calming supplements. Reducing stress will support with overall health, including their gut health. I'll link a video down below about using CBD in your pet for its calming effect, so go check that out. Lastly, if these don't work, seek veterinary support. It's essential to work with your veterinarian to monitor your pet's progress and ensure that the treatment plan is tailored to their specific and individual needs. Regular checkups with your vet is key. Remember, if your pet shows signs of a leaky gut, it could still be evidence of undiagnosed disease, so early detection is vital. To wrap it up, leaky gut can cause a range of issues for your pets, from digestive problems all the way to skin irritations and even behavioral changes. But by understanding the cause and the symptoms and making the right dietary and lifestyle adjustments, you can help your furry friend to live healthier, happier lives. So if you think your pet might be dealing with leaky gut, please don't wait. Talk to your vet today. And if you've already dealt with leaky gut in the past, let me know down in the comments below. What steps did you take to improve your pet's gut health? Was it purely dietary related? Let us know. If you want more content like this and other fun and exciting pet related tips, subscribe to this channel. And until next time, cheers.